In this part 2 of our video, we will talk about Singapore's household income over the past 15 years and the affordability of them, how much Singaporeans can afford to buy a house, and if Singapore prices is at a tipping point. Hi, I'm James Lim, founder of the Property Plus system, and today I shall share with you Singapore household income from the Department of Statistics Singapore. Here are some questions some of my clients ask me. How about affordability? Can prices still continue to go up? Can Singapore people still make a profit over properties? If I buy my condo at a high price right now, next time in future, will Singaporeans be able to afford a higher price for my property? Here are some data on Singapore's income. Chart 1 shows households with monthly income between 10 to 12,000. Over the last 15 years, the number of households that are in this bracket has increased from 43,000 to close to 110,000, an increase of 142% in 15 years. With this income using the total debt servicing ratio or TDSR framework, they can take a loan of up to 1.44 million and can afford up to 1.9 million of property price. The second chart shows household monthly income between 12,000 to 14,000. There's an increase of over 200% over the last 15 years from less than 30,000 to close to 90,000, almost 3 times the total households. In this bracket, they can take a loan of up to 1.68 million and can afford up to 2.2 million of property price. In the third chart of households income with monthly income between 14,000 to 17,500, we see an increase of 326% growth from below 25,000 to over 110,000 households. This is where the majority of local Singaporeans fall in. Likely, both parents are working and are university graduates. They can take a loan of up to 2.1 million and can afford property of up to 2.8 million. What I'm trying to explain here is majority of Singaporeans can easily afford a 3-bedroom private development of up to 2.8 million in terms of affordability. Given that 3-bedroom in Singapore is priced between 1.1 to 1.7 million, there's still a lot of room to grow. My second last chart shows households with monthly income between 17,500 to 20,000. This is an increase of 436%. From around 10,000 households 15 years ago to a 5 times increase of over 55,000 households. Singaporeans has really become richer and are more affluent. In this bracket, they can take a loan of up to 2.4 million and can afford a property that is 3.2 million. Lastly, for households with monthly income above 20,000 bracket, we see an increase of close to 550% from less than 30,000 15 years ago to close to 200,000 right now. Looking at all the graphs, you can see more Singaporeans fall in the higher wealth bracket group. In other words, the rich are getting richer in Singapore. There you have it, the wealth data of household income and their affordability. The trend I'm seeing right now is that property in fact in Singapore is really too cheap. Why am I saying so? If an average Singaporean can afford up to 3 million in property and property prices are now ranged between 1 to 2 million, there is still a lot of headroom to grow. In fact, in my line of work, I'm seeing so many Singaporeans inquiring of purchasing their second or even their third property as an investment. When an average Singaporean household can afford 2 to 3 properties, it just shows that property prices right now is a bit on the low side. Now, if you disagree with me, feel free to leave your comment below. If you find this useful, feel free to smash the like button. Do click on the subscribe button for future videos. Now, so long, thank you and bye.